it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect barefoot sneaker, check out these ones from Pulltop. Now, these are an awesome, lightweight, super comfortable shoe. What my husband especially loves about them is how wide the toe is. It makes for plenty of room. He has wider feet, and he feels really comfortable in these. They're super easy to pull on and off. My husband loves to wear these when he's going through an airport. If you go through airport security, you have to remove your shoes. These come off really simply and slide right back on. There's no fuss with laces, just a really easygoing shoe. Very comfortable too, so if you're on your feet for a lot of the day, you're gonna feel like you're not wearing anything. These shoes are designed to have the sole remove if you wanna be completely barefoot. You can also wear them with socks, of course, however you're most comfortable. They come in many different colors, so if you're looking for similar, I definitely think that this is an awesome choice for a shoe. It's perfect for summer, perfect for hiking or hanging out at the beach, and I think you'll be really happy with it, and that's our point of view.